Commonly it's Zip, Zip's the frog, and Zip's best friend is Max the dog. They love to read stories just like you, and every day there's something brand new. Max has a magic color. It's got a different letter on it every day. We're gonna pick a book and take a look. What does it say? There's good times to be had. So come on, everybody, don't you sip and let's pad.
Hi, everyone. I'm Zip. Would you like to help my friend Mac and me read our magic book? Mind the book and your nose, Mac. Look after your books and they'll last much longer. My word. Here we are on the cover with a bunch of sticks. Let's read the title. Here is a... Here is a... Here is a what? Nibbling noodles. The last word is missing, eh, Mac?
But we can help.
That would be nice. What do you think?
Here is a park. Here is a park. Here is a flower. Here is a flower. Here is a duck. Here is a duck. Here is a tree. Here is a tree. Here is a nest. Here is a nest.
Here is a smile. Nice nature names, guys. Maybe our book has one of those names. Let's get another clue from Mac's magic collar. Mac! Now let's all sing the magic words. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Show us today's magic letter, please. Neat! Look, everyone, there's a little N on this side and a big N on this side. Let's get noisy with the letter N. Never say no to a word that starts with N, or you'll never know what happens when a naughty night owl nestles on a poodle, while Nana natters nonsense as she nibbles on her noodles. No, remember when I was a little poodle like you? So many nice things that start with N, like Nana napkins around your neck. They keep you neat while eating apple strudel, while Nana natters nonsense as she nibbles on her noodles. No, no. Are there any N words near you? No.
Nappy. Nappy. Noodles. Noodles. Noisy. Nico. Nico. Next. Next.
Never say no to a word that starts with N. Nifty work, everyone. The last word of our title starts with N. Let's write it on the book now. Down, up, over, and down. Oh, no. It's not working yet. We all need to do it.
Down, up, over and down. In. Down. over and down. In, down, up, over and down. In, down, up, over and down. In.
Right on, everyone! It worked! Our book is telling us its name. Let's read it. Here is a Here is a nest. Here is a nest, of course. That isn't a picture of a bunch of sticks at all. It's a nest. Nests are neat. Let's all find out what's in this nest. Here is a noodle. And what is that noise? Let's follow the noodles, Mac, and find out. Here is a noodle. Here is a noodle. Here is a noodle. Here is a nest. Here is a noisy night owl. Here is a noisy night owl nibbling noodles.
Nathan, don't be so noisy nibbling those noodles. It makes me very nervous.
Sorry, Nana.
Now share some noodles with Zip and Mac.
Okay, here is a noodle for you, Zip, and here is a noodle for you, Mac.
Neat! Thanks!
Nice sharing noodles with you.
Now don't forget to brush your teeth, Nathan.
Those noodles were the nicest, eh, Mac? Oops! Together we made a great story, and together we read it. Now I hope you have a nice time looking for more things that start with N at home. Happy reading, everyone! Bye! What a good time we had! See you real soon back in Zip and Mac's bag.
Oh, thank you very much, Ensign on here. Oh, it's got an N in it.